Indoor environment has a huge impact on health and cognitive functions. The world is quite unique. Here we can breathe. Indoor we have to have more fresh air and daylight as well. Cells in your body need oxygen, especially your brain. When the air quality is high, you have more oxygen to your brain, and then you think more clearly and can be focusing on the project that you make. You need oxygen for many functions that the body and brain has to perform. When the indoor environment is of high quality, you achieve an environment to perform your best. When do you focus on bringing more nature into the indoor living? An environment that can support our health and well-being. Then we can focus on our task with more capacity and creativity as well, so that the result quickly getting better with far greater attention. Furthermore, things are better reminded with a good naturally indoor environment. We have to have more support for the human health indoor living by getting better indoor environment. The nature is our best support. When to you works for better human health by improvement better indoor environment. When to you creates a better indoor environment by bringing more fresh air and daylight into the microsphere as naturally as possible.